Welcome to Zen Eating. This is a demo session of my eating meditation that is based on Japanese Zen Buddhism, which I call Zen Eating. You can watch some part of my session in this video. Let's get started. Hello, welcome, Patrick. Let me introduce myself a little bit. So I am Momo, and I was born in northern Japan. And the middle picture is my grandparents. They still live in the mountain area of northern Japan. And can you see the vegetables on the table in this picture?
Oh, yes. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Guess what? They are mountain vegetables. So they are wild vegetables, and they know how to choose the right one, which is poisoning, which is tasty, which is edible. And I respect their life a lot and how connected they are with nature. Personally, I have been practicing Zen Buddhism and mindfulness for 8-9 years now. And I will put a video on this channel later on about the eating meditation class too. So that's me. Itadakimasu. Before eating. Yes, lovely. We're gonna stretch and start eating. Okay, so stretch.
Mm-hmm.
Feel free to stretch any part of your body. Close your eyes. Take some deep breathing. Exhale, full breath out. Then inhale through your nose. Chest widely open. Then exhale through your nose. Release all the tension that you have in your body. Relax your body, face. Then inhale. Create a space in your body. Then smile. And exhale, relax, release. Take 1-2 more deep breathing with your own pace. Put your palms together. Thanking to the people, thanking to the food. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Bow and coming back. Release your hands. Let's begin. So, for the first bite, I'd like you to observe the food before putting the food into your mouth. So please start observing it with your eyes, with your nose. You can touch it. You can smell it. What's the color of the food? You don't have to answer it, but please reflect in your mind. Is it shining? Is it one tone? Or some marks are there? Be aware. And you can smell it. Imagine the taste by smelling it. If you want to crack it, you can crack it. So that you may feel some other smells from inside. Be playful. Now you may feel that your mouth starts watering. Your body tells you that you are hungry. So now let's start eating. For the first bite, put the food into your mouth, but no moving for the first several seconds. Without moving, let the food sitting on your tongue. No moving. Without moving. You can close your eyes, relax your body. Let the food sitting on your tongue without moving. It might be a little different from what you know. Enjoy that strangeness. Now, slowly moving your tongue. Start moving your tongue. Observe the flavor, taste. Which part of your tongue catches the sweetness of the food? Which part catches the bitterness or sourness of the food? Be aware with the taste, flavor, and feel that the food is passing your throat. With feeling it, swallow the food consciously, gently. You may feel that the food is passing your throat, going down, down, down towards stomach. Now enjoy the aftertaste. Observe the reaction from your body in your mouth. You may feel that your mouth start watering again. If you feel that your mouth is watering, that's the sign from your body that you are ready for moving to the next bite. Let's move on to the second bite. Put the food into your mouth and start chewing. Are you starting to want to swallow already? If yes, you are lucky that you got a chance to be aware with how many times you chew usually. Please try to keep the food in your mouth to enjoy the changes in your sensation, but it is just to enjoy it. So you don't have to force yourself to do that. Enjoy your process. Enjoy each and every moment. There are no meaningless time. You can observe your body, your breath. If you don't have anything to chew in your mouth already. Now, feel that the food is passing your throat. Slowly swallow the food. Feel the sensation of your throat and GI tract, stomach. Where is the food now? Let's move on to the next bite. Put the food into your mouth. Start chewing. You can start chewing. Close your eyes. Relax your body. Relax your face. For this bite, while chewing, I'd like to invite you to the journey of the ingredient. Imagine where this ingredient was growing up while eating. Swallow the food with observing the changes in your body. Swallow the last bite. Feel the connection with people, with yourself, all the human beings, all the living beings. You are connected with the food that you are currently eating, with the ground, with the planet of the earth. Feel the oneness and unity. Take a few long deep breathing. Exhale, full breath out. Take in through your nose, shoulder, chest widely open. and smile. Then exhale through your nose, relax. Be aware with the feeling of your body. Take some more deep breathing with your own pace. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's have a moment to share. So don't hesitate to share anything about your body, sensation, feeling, emotion, anything. So how did you feel?
Yeah, I feel very calm and peaceful now. At the very start, I was very ready to start eating right away. As soon as the food was in front of me, I'm like, I want to eat really fast. And the first bite was, it was, as you mentioned, quite hard to slow down. At the end of it, I wanted to draw it out. And I was like, I'm enjoying this. I want this to last longer. It was interesting, the sensation of swallowing. Not something that I usually pay as much attention to when I'm eating. So to really pay attention to the food, starting in the mouth and going all the way down into the stomach, to kind of follow that sensation for that much time. And yeah, overall was a very kind of positive experience. I feel like when I'm eating much of the time, although not all the time, my mind is, solving problems at work or in life, or, reading the news or texting somebody or whatever it is.
Yes.
Paying attention to eating, it's very automatic. So it's nice to pause and slow down and pay attention to the act itself. So I think I'll continue to try to be more present, focus on the task at hand. So that's when it comes to eating. So thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you. Patrick, it is beautiful. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in the whole session, you can check the details in the description box down below. There is a link to book a session too. I hope to see you at my online session. Till then,